Good evening, dear students. In previous class, we started exercise 3A. Today we will continue same exercise from question number 6. Let's see. Question number 6. Arrange the following decimals in ascending order. In this question, we will arrange these decimals number in ascending order. You know very well what is the means of ascending order. Small to largest. So because of these all numbers are in the decimal form, so first of all we will convert all numbers in the like decimals form. Like decimals form means after the decimals digits of places it will be same. Number of digits places, not number of digits of places it will be same. So first of all we will see the highest digit after the decimals number of digits. You can see highest number of digits after the decimal digits place, which is tens and hundreds. You can see in third number 4.58 there is after the decimal 2 digits. There also after the decimal 2 digits, and there also it means highest number of place is 2 after the decimal. So other numbers also it should be after the decimal there will be 2 digits. So we will put 0 after the decimal, we will add 0. So 4.60 there is 6. So for converting the like decimal we will add 1 0 after 6, and in second number also after 4 we will add one more 0 for making the like decimal. Now you can see all numbers after the decimal 2 digits are there. It means now all given numbers are in the decimal into like decimals form already converted. So then after we will compare, because we know that in decimal there is a two part, whole number part before decimal and after decimal part. So first of all we will see in whole number before decimal. So you can see in first number and third, our first number is 4.60 and third number is 4.58 and last one is also 4.06. So you can see these three numbers, first, third and fifth, all have whole numbers are same, 4 4 4. Then after what we'll do, then after we will see after the decimal, it means tens place digit. Tens place digit in first number there is 6 and there is 5 and there is 0. It means among 6, 5 and 0, 0 is smallest. So first of all we will write smallest number 4.06. Then after compare 6 and 5. After the decimal tens place there is 6 and there is 5. So 5 is smaller than 6. So second place we will write 4.58 and third place we will write 4.60. Now only two number left, 7.40 and 7.32. There also first of all we will compare whole number part. There also both number is same. So we will see tens place digit. There is 4 and there is 3. It means 3 is less than 4. So in fourth number we will write 7.32 and fifth place we will write 7.40. So finally our numbers in the ascending order. The given decimal in ascending order are 4.0, 6, 4.58, 4.58, 4.6, 7.32 and 7.4. Let's see our next question. Question number 7. Arrange the following decimal in descending order. In descending order. Descending order, we will arrange largest to smallest. First of all, same process, but only one thing is different when we arrange the numbers. First of all, we will arrange largest number, then small, and at last smallest. So first of all, you see there is 2.6, 2.26, 2.06, 2.007 and 2.3. So converting the given decimal into like decimal. For converting the like decimal, first of all we will count after the decimal highest place. There is ones, tenths, hundreds and thousands. After the decimal we will start places counting from tenths. So tenths, hundreds, thousand. It means 3 digits. After the decimal 3 digits, and other numbers, some numbers have 2 digits, some number have 1 digit. So first of all we will convert for like decimal, we will put the 0. So 2.620 we need, so we will add here 20, and there we will add 10. There also we will add 10. There is already 3 digits, so no need to add any 0, and there also 2 digits is less, that's why we will add 20. Then after, first of all we will see the whole number parts. So you can see in these numbers all whole numbers part is same. All whole number part is 2. Before decimal there is all 2. So then after you will compare from after the decimal tens place digit. So there tens place digit, there is 6, there is 2, there is 0 and 0. So there is 2 place, tens place is 0. Then after what you do? Then after you will see hundreds place digit, and there is hundreds place digit is 0. So this is a smallest number. So because of this is a descending order, so you should find the largest number, largest digit in tens place, which is 6. So first of all you will write 2.600. Then after second largest number after the decimal tens place, there is 2, there is 0, 0, 3. So this one, last one, 2.300 is second largest number. So we will write in second place. Then after tens place there is 2, and last two both they have 0. So third place we will write 2.260. Then both last two, these two numbers, both tens place have 0. Then what you do? Then you can see hundreds place digit. There is 6 and there is 0. So hundreds place there is 6. That's why in fourth number we will write 2.060, and at last 2.007. Hence the given decimal in descending order are 2.6, 2.3, 2.26, 2.06 and 2.007. Let's see our next question. Question number 8. Express 45 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So we know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So when you remove this millimeter place, so this place you will, what is the relation between millimeter to centimeter, millimeter to meter and millimeter to kilometer? So 45 upon 10, because 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10. So we multiply by 1 upon 10, and because of in denominator 1 0, that's why we insert after one digit decimal and 4.5 centimeter. We will multiply 45 multiply by 1 by 10, because 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So finally our answer is 4.5 centimeter. Now 1 millimeter is equal to how many meter? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So in 4.5 we will multiply by 1 upon 100, and in upon 100 there is 2 0. So from right side we will count. After 2 digits we will insert decimal, and already there is one decimal already put it. Then after, so how much digits you need, we will insert the 0. So because there is one number less, that's why we will insert 0 here. Then we will start ones, tens and 100. It means after 3 digits we will insert decimal. So 0.045 meter, 45 millimeter convert into meter. 0.045, how 3 digits it's because there is 2 0 and already one decimal, so 2 digits and this one. That's why after 3 digits we will before 3 digits we will insert decimal. Then let's see kilometer. What is the relation between millimeter and kilometer? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 1 upon 1000 kilometer. There is a 30 in denominator, there is a 30, so we will insert 10 here because we need 3 digits. So we will insert 10 and we will count there already 3 digits, then 3 digits and this 30. It means we need 6 digits, then insert decimal number. So we will insert more zeros because we need 6 digit there. 3 already we have and 3 we need more. So you will insert how much digits you need, so you can insert the zeros. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 6 digits. Then we will insert decimal. 6 digits before we will insert decimal. So finally 0.045 meter convert into 0.000045 kilometer. Let's see next question. Question number 9th. Express as rupees using decimal. There is given first number in paisa and second rupees and paisa both, and third rupees and paisa, but question is telling you express in rupees. So first of all you should know what is the relation between paisa and rupees. You know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100. That's why we will multiply here 1 upon 100, because this paisa we will convert into rupees, and we know that 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100. That's why we will multiply 8 multiplied by 1 upon 100. And because of in denominator 20, that's why 2 digits before we will insert decimal. 2 digits before we will insert decimal. 1 digit already there, we need one more digit. That's why we will insert 1 0. Before 8 we will insert 1 0, then we will put decimal. So this 8 paisa convert into rupees, 0.08. And second question, there is both form rupees or paisa. This form first term is already converted in rupees, so no need to convert. We will convert paisa to rupees. So you know that 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100. So we multiply by 75 multiply by 100, so 75 upon 100. Because of in denominator 20, so before 2 digit we insert decimal. So what it will convert, 75 upon 100 convert into 0.75 in decimal form, and then we will add, because 9 is in the whole number, so 9 plus 0.75 in rupees form, 9 rupees 75 paisa. 9 rupees 75 paisa. Let's see our next question. It is the last question of this exercise. Question number 10. Express in kilometer using decimals. So same like in rupees and paisa form, 65 meter convert into kilometer. We know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometer. So when you remove meter, we will multiply by 1 upon 1000, and in denominator 30. That's why before 3 digit we put decimal there is only 2 digits, so we insert one more 0, and before 3 digit we put decimal, so 6 meter is equal to 0.065 kilometer. You can do same this process by another left 2 questions to yourself. So today is your homework to do exercise 3A in your notebook.